Statistic exercise 1.4, which is given on your page number 38. In this exercise, now new formula will be introduced, that is cost of living index number. In cost of living index number, there are two methods. One is the total expenditure and one is the family budget. In total expenditure, here is the formula is given. When in the question Q0, that is base year quantity is given, formula has to be used. You can see this is sigma P1 Q0, sigma P0 Q0 multiplied by 100, similar to the Laspers index number. In the same information, if in the question when Q1, that is the current year quantity is given, that time you have to use this formula, that is I is equal to sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 multiplied by 100, that is partially index number. Second one is the method of family budget. As you can see, this is the weighted index number. Now in this family budget, the similar weighted index number formula we are going to use, where if in the question, if I or the W information is not given, you have to take the formula I, that is current year divided by base year multiplied by 100, P1 P0 multiplied by 100. Same for the weight, here we will take P0 Q0. So let's start the exercise. Question number 1. The following data are obtained from the family budget inquiry of middle class people. State the change in the cost of living in the year 2015 with respect of the year 2013 by finding the index number. Till here we'll solve, and till here from here the question will be changed, that is about the interpretation. If the average monthly disposal income of the family in the year 2013 is 15,000, then obtain the estimate of the necessary average monthly disposable income in the year 2015. Here is the information is given, where the group is given and different weight on the group. Next is the expenditure based on the 2013 and 2015. Here obviously 2015 will have a current year and 2013 will be a base year. So on this we'll use this formula and remove the family budget. Here you can see I just wrote the information which is given in the question: group, weight, expenses for the year 2013 2015. Now out of this we'll calculate like P1, this is our P1 current year, and this is P0, that is base year. So to find out P1 divided by 3000 multiplied by 100. As you can see here the formula is. So let's start. Here comes 130. Next, take in your calculator 1850 divided by 1450 multiplied by 100, same as this formula. You will get 127.6. 2400 divided by 1500 multiplied by 100. Here we get 160. 900 divided by 600 multiplied by 100, that is 150. 1920 divided by 16,000 multiplied by 100. Here we get 120. So here our column I is ready and the weight is already given in the question. Take the total of weight, that is 100. Now let's get it multiply. W and I, that is 45 multiplied by 130, we get 5850. Next 15 multiplied by 127.6, 1914. 10 multiplied by 160, that is 1600. 20 multiplied by 150, here we get 3000. 10 multiplied by 120, that is 1200. Get the total, that is sigma IW, here we get 13564. Now as per the family budget, let's put on the formula, that is sigma IW divided by sigma W. Here we get 13564 divided by sigma W 100, and here the answer is 135.64. Now as per the question, they asked to find out the average monthly disposable income of the family of the year 2013 is 15,000. Then obtain the estimate of the necessary average monthly disposable income in the year 2015. Now here they ask you that when the family budget of 2013, they have an income of 15,000. Now find out what income will be in year 2015. So for this, we'll keep the calculation something like this. First write down. Here we are calculating average monthly disposable income. Now here we can say that in the year 2013, the index number of 13 was our base year, which was not given. So here we'll take 100, where the income was 15,000. Now in the year 2015, I'm just taking here, so not getting any confusion. In the 2015, we get 135.64. Find out what will be the income. Hope you understand the calculation that when the year 2013, the index number of base year is 100, the income was 15,000. When the year 2015 get 135.64 index number, what will be the income? Here we'll take a cross multiplication, that is 135.64 multiplied by 15,000 divided by 100. Here we get 20,346. Moving to the next question. Find the index number for the year 2014 by the method of family budget from the following data about price and consumption of the food items and interpret it. Here the items are given, where the 2010 quantity and price is given, and the year 2014 price is given. So here we can say that the 2010 will be our base year, which we can declare as a Q0, and here we declare as a P0, and this one will be the P1. Now as per the family budget, the formula will be I is equal to sigma IW divided by sigma W. So as per this formula, remember here you can see no ready information is given, no I or no W is given in ready. So here we are going to take it, first take into the table where P0 Q0 will be declared as a weight, and to find out I will take P1, that is current year, divided by the base year multiplied by 100, and after getting W and I will get them multiplied to get the information of IW. So let's start with the calculation. First we'll multiply P0 with Q0, that is 60 multiplied by 15. Here we get 900. Next 40 multiplied by 32, 1280. 12 into 15, 180. 50 into 25, that is 1250. Get the total as we need in the formula, that is 3610. Now next is the price relative, where we are going to find out I, where P1 will divide by P0. 18 divided by 15 multiplied by 100. Here we get 120. Next 40 divided by 32 multiplied by 100. Answer is 125. Next 14 divided by 12 multiplied by 100. Here we get 116.7. 70 divided by 50 multiplied by 100. Here we get 140. So after getting I, get this two column multiply, that is 900 into 120. We get one more zero. Okay. Next 1280 multiplied by 125. Next 116.7 multiplied by 180. Here we get 21006. 140 multiplied by 1250, that is 175,000. And get the total of this, that is 464,006. So after getting the total, that's our sigma IW. Take into the formula that index number is equal to Here you can write down index number of 2000. Here we are finding for the year 2014. So here we can write down index number of 2014 by family budget method. And put the formula I is equal to sigma IW divided by sigma W. Here the 464,006 divided by 3610. And here we get the answer 128.53. And also they ask you to interpret it. If we interpret, get them minus. If 128.53, I'll just show you 128.53 minus with 100. Here we can see there is an increase by 28.53 in current year as compared to base year. That's it for second question. Moving to the next. Compute the cost of living index number by method of total expenditure. Now here we are going to solve in the method of total expenditure from the following data. Items from A to E is given, and here the most important unit is given. Quintal, 20 kgs, 10 liter, dozen, meter. So let's start with this. And the quantity of 2014 and price of 2014 is given, that is Q0 information is given. So here we are going to use Lasper's formula for finding total expenditure, and 2015 which will be declared as a current year. Now here, as I told you, in the row it should be equality. Here they have given quintal, and one quintal is 100 kg. Quantity is given in the kg. Here we are going to change the information into kg. So here first I took the item A, which unit is going to be changed by kg. Quantity, you can see it is already given in kg. So here we are just going to take the value of quantity, that is 50. And if you check the price, remember, if you make any changes in the unit, you have to make a change in the price. Now here, as I shown you that 1 quintal is 100 kg. So here you have to just divide with 100. You will get 12 for item A. Same, if we make changes in 2015 price and divide by 100, here we'll get 17. Here we complete the first row. Moving to the B. Now in B, we always remember here we need a 1 unit price. Now here they have given 20 kgs price, so we are going to make a changes on it. Remember 20 kg का 340, तो 1 kg का कितना? So for this calculation we just have to divide with 20, and you can see the quantity is already given in kg. So just take the 18 a quantity, and here I have took the information in kg. Quantity will take it as 18, and if we divide them, 340 divided by 20, here we get 17, and 380 divided by 20 kg, we get 90. Next is liter. Now here also we need the price of 1 liter. So first I'll take the unit in 1 liter, and quantity is given in the price in 12 liter that we can take. And for 10 liters, अगर 10 लीटर का 30,000 है, सॉरी 10 लीटर का 30 है, तो 1 लीटर का कितना? You just have to divide with 10, and 40 also divide by 10. Here we get the answer 3 and 4. Next is dozen. Dozen, remember, it comes in 12 pieces, and quantity is already given in pieces. So here we'll take in unit pieces, and directly the number of pieces for quantity is 20, that we can take directly, but we'll make a changes in price. Here we need the price of pieces. So Dozen means 12 pieces. So just divide with 12. 15 divided by 12, you will get 1.25. Next, 24 divided by 12, you will get 2. Next, the last item is meter. Now for meter, here they have given directly the price of a meter. You can see there is a 1 meter price. आगे कोई number नहीं दिया है. So directly we can take for meter. Quantity is 14 and price of the base year is 12 and price of the current year is 16. So after taking this, here my information is ready. After getting it ready, we'll calculate for the expenditure. Now cost of living index number by total expenditure. Here the information of Q0 is given. So here we are going to take the Lesper's formula, that is P1 Q0 divided by P0 Q0. So for this, prepare the column and get multiply P1 with Q0. Here we get the first column, that is 17 multiplied by 50. Here we get 850. Next, 19 multiplied by 18, 342. 4 multiplied by 12, 48. 2 multiplied by 20, 40. 16 multiplied by 14, 224. Here we get 1504. Next column is P0 Q0. So here 1.25 multiplied by 20, we get 25, and 12 multiplied by 14, that is 168, and here we get the total 1135. After getting the total, let's put into the formula, that is 1504 divided by 1135 multiplied by 100, and here we get the answer 1.3251 multiplied by 100, that is 132.51. Moving to the next question now. Question number 4. Compute the general index number for the production using the following data. Items are given, weight are given, and index number of production, means ready-made I you already have. So just keep the information into the table, get the column multiply, that is 15 multiplied by 220, and even they have asked general index number. They didn't ask you about the total expenditure or family budget. This is the method which we have done in exercise 1.3, where we learn about the weighted index number. The same we are going to solve here. So multiply 220 with 15, that is 3300. 225 multiplied by 23, 5175. 190 multiplied by 15, 2850. 215 multiplied by 25, here we get 1375. 198 multiplied by 10, that is 1980. 220 multiplied by 12, 2640. So here we get 21320. For finding general index number, just put on the information which we have found right now, 21320 divided by 100, and here we get 213. That's it. Moving to the next. The detail of expenditure on clothing for the worker class of a region are as follow. Find the index number for clothing by the total expenditure as well as the family budget matter. Here the items are given and the unit is given. You can see the one single unit is given, no other number has been increased in unit, so no changes will be done in the remaining other information. Quantity in the year 2010 is given, price of 2010, so obviously this 2010 information will be our base year, that is Q0 and P0, and price in the year 2014, which will be our current year, that is P1. So let's put on all the information into table. Here I took all the information in table from the textbook, and now for the total expenditure, remember we can use the two formula. As you can see in the question, Q0 is given, so we are going to use Lesper's formula, that is P1 Q0 sigma P0 Q0. So for the total expenditure we need two information, that is P1 Q0, which we will find out P1 multiplied by Q0 column, and P0 Q0, that we'll get by multiplying P0 multiplied by Q0. So first let's multiply P1 Q0, that is these two column. Here we get 5 into 400, 2000, 8 into 100, 800, 20 into 38, that is 760, 15 into 23.8, that is 357, and here we get the total 3917. Next is P0 Q0, that is P0 get multiplied with Q0 column. 5 into 300, 1500, 70 into 8, that is 560. Then 32.48 multiplied by 20, here we get 648. 20.98 multiplied by 15, 313.5. Get the total, that is 3021.5. Now let's keep into the formula. 3917 divided by 3021.5 multiply by 100. Get it divide. Here you will get 1.2964 into 100, and the answer is 129.64. This we did in the total expenditure method. Now let's solve in the family budget method. Now here index number of clothing by family budget method, the formula is I is equal to sigma IW divided by sigma W. Now you can check in the table, we don't have the ready I or ready W, but we have P0 Q0 which we can denote as a W. So the same column I am going to write down here by denoting it weight, that is 1500, 560, 648, 313.5. My total is 3021.5. That is my sigma W, which I can take directly in the formula, that is 3021.5. But for sigma IW, I need I as well, and for I the formula is P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100. Now here I am going to take P1, that is 400 divided by 300 multiplied by 100. Here we get 133.3. Again 100 divided by 70 multiplied by 100, we get 142.9. Next 38, that is 38 not point, 38 divided by 32.48 multiplied by 100, you will get 117.3. And the last one, that is 23.80 divided by 20.90 multiplied by 100, 113.9. So here we get the information of I, and here we have W. So for family budget we need multiply I with W, that is 1500 multiplied by 133.3. Here we get 1,999.50. Again 560 multiplied by 142.9. Here we get 80024. Next 648 multiplied by 117.3, that is 76010.4. 113.9 multiplied by 313.5. Here we get 35707.65. And here we get the total 3916.05. So that's our sigma IW. Take the total into the formula, that is 391692.05. On dividing this two, we will get 129.64. So here we complete our exercise 1.4.